Hello everyone, my name is Khan and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you the simple way to identification of the major inducement and minor inducement. What is the difference between the major inducement and minor inducement and how we can detect in a while market momentum is a bullish and bearish. I received multiple requests about the major inducement and minor inducement in our comment section and I thought it's important topic for you. So I hope everything will be clear in this video. So you need to watch this video very carefully step by step. Firstly, we need to understand a few things before to marking on chart that how we can identify the major inducement and minor inducement and what is difference between both of them. Firstly, if market momentum is a bullish, then how market is a behave. If market momentum is a bullish and continue going higher high, generally what we are expecting. We are expecting that market taking out this low and this low act like an inducement. Again, market what happened break this one and this one is a called break of structure here. And after break of structure, what are you looking here? Suddenly, we are looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement. At the current price, if I'm asking you here that what is inducement in this case? So right now we know as you this is our inducement here. If market taken out this one and we are anticipating that market looking for the buy to the upside. So this is first pullback and this one is a called inducement. What this is a major inducement or minor inducement? In this case, we can say here, if market break the previous high, it means this is a break of structure. And after break of structure, first pullback is called here. And then what happened here? We are expecting that market taking out this one and we are anticipating that price trying to go higher. So this inducement is our major inducement or minor inducement. Let me explain on. So technically this point become our minor inducement, not the major inducement. What the reason here and where is the major inducement right here? Look at this one. This is happen here after break of structure. After break of structure here, if market create like this pullback and then market trying to push downside and this move act like a minor inducement. Where is the major inducement? Major inducement is here the previous swing high and previous swing low. It means if market taken out the main low and then we can anticipate that price trying to go higher to the upside right here. So this one is called major inducement right here and this one is called our minor inducement right here. Again market break this structure here and after that what happened here? Again market trying to go higher and market taking out the first pullback here and then what happened here? Market trying to go higher. So this point become our previous swing higher high is here and this one is called break of structure here and this point become our inducement. So what is this one? This is a major inducement or minor inducement. Ask yourself. This is our major inducement. And some people get confused at this point because same thing happened at this point here and this is our minor inducement in a first pullback, but at this time this has become our major inducement. Why? Let me clear the chart, then you can understand more better here. Now everything is clear and you will see that how market is working here. Look at this one. In a first diagram, we know that market momentum is a bullish and first pullback is taken out. That's called major inducement. This is a first move is here. And after that, what happened exactly? When market taken out the inducement, we mark higher high is here. And once market create higher high is here and create break of structure. And once market create break of structure, generally we are again looking here for to marking the inducement. And then we are anticipating that market can create higher high or we are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement. In this case, same thing happen here. Market create a break of structure. And after create break of structure, market immediately push downside and taken out this inducement and then market went up. So in this case, where is the minor inducement right here? The first pullback is called minor inducement. Why? Because this pullback create below the previous high. That's why we mark as a minor inducement right here. And where is the major inducement in this leg? So the previous main low, this point become our major inducement right here because of this one is our entire leg is here like this one right here. Okay, so this one is called our minor inducement and this is called major inducement right here. Again what happened here? Market push downside and when market taken out the minor or major any kind of inducement, we can mark our higher high and lower lows structure, but generally we use minor inducement and major inducement to marking our entry criteria for the buy and sell. That's why, right? So again what happened here? Market taking out the minor inducement and market can be take this major inducement as well as here. So if market taken out the major inducement, then we are interested here for the buy to the upside right here. But if market not taken out this one, So we can mark the structure here. After taking out the minor inducement, price time to go higher. Again, market break the structure, but the first pullback is taken out here. If market taken out the first pullback is here, so we can mark this one as a major inducement. But in this case, we mark this as a minor inducement. And what is difference both diagram here? You need to understand this one. Both diagram, both situation looks similar, but these are not similar. Look at this one. This pullback create here below this previous swing high like this one, and then market went up. When the previous high is here, if market create like this structure right here, so this one is called our minor inducement. But at this point, we can see here the previous high is here and create break of structure. But in this time, what happened here? Market create above the previous high is here. So we can mark this one as a major inducement. But in this case, just below it right here. So that's why this is a difference between the major and minor inducement. And we can easily spot on chart. You will see sometime these type of like inducement. Sometime you will see that how market creating major and minor inducement. And also we can use in a counter trend as well as before the buy and sell. So I hope you understand that how things actually working here and how we can mark the major and minor inducement. And again, what happened here? Market break the structure. Again, market break the structure. If market create like this one, only one pullback is here. So where is the major and minor? Only one pullback is here. So this one act like a major inducement right here, not the minor, because market create a single leg move right here. So this point become higher high, this point become higher low, this point become our break of structure right here, and this point become our major inducement right here. Okay, so I hope you understand how it work and how we can mark the major and minor inducement. Let me show you on chart, then you can understand more better in a clear way. Look at this structure here. Market momentum is a bullish and creating higher high. If market momentum is a bullish and creating higher high, taking out the first pullback, that's called inducement. In this case, we can see clearly that market taking out the first pullback is here, and this is called major inducement right here. So this one is called major inducement, and the previous swing high create at this point right here. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. Again, what happened here? Market break the previous high is here, and once market create break this one and close of it, this one is called break of structure. And after break of structure, what is the major and minor inducement in this line? If market close of it and create like this structure, the first pullback is called minor inducement right here. This is our minor inducement in this current situation here. If market taken out the first pullback is here, that means the minor inducement taken out, and we can anticipate it again pushing higher high. But this is our break of structure, and this is a minor inducement, but we are not interested for the buy right here on minor inducement. Generally, we are interested after taking out the major inducement. So where is the major inducement at the current situation here? The previous main low is here. It means if market taken out this low, so we are interested here for the buy to the upside like this one right here. Okay, so this is a major and minor inducement difference. And let's see what happened next after this one. If market not taken out this one, for example, what happened here? Market not taken out this one and create like this one pullback here and again going higher high. It means there is no minor inducement right here, only major inducement create at this point right here, and we are interested here for the buy after taking out the major inducement. Look at this one. And what happened next after this one? We can see here market start create a small pullback here and again trying to go higher. That means the probability of the creating minor inducement, there is no probability, and wait for it to taken out the major inducement, then we can expect that where is market going on. Look at this one. This pullback is taken out right here. It means this is our major inducement, and we are anticipating that price looking for the continuation to the upside on after taking out the inducement, and sometime market react from the extreme or decisional PY, then we can plan for the buy or sell. But in this chapter, I'm just teaching you that how you can mark the major and minor inducement. So this point become our previous swing higher high, inducement taken out, and we are anticipating that price time to go higher. And what happened here? We can expect that price can be tapped on your PY. We can plan for the buy, and next PY is on extreme. If this PY is not working and fail these PYs, so what we are expecting? We are expecting that if market break the previous main low is here, so we can expect that market looking for the reversal to the downside, bullish to bearish. And let's see what happens next after this one, and this point become our job. And let's see what happens next after this one and how market has react here. And in this case, we can see here clearly first PY is here, tap here, this is a demand and demand to supply, and at this point, this is our inducement again because of the market momentum is a bearish here. Look at this one, inducement taken out, and we are expecting that price trying to go higher till this PY here because price can be tap here and again go higher because market momentum is a bullish, but market not create like this situation. Market just push downside and extremely, and market this point little bit try to push higher but not able to hold this zone, and market failed and break the previous low. So these type of thing when happen, that means the momentum has been changed bullish to bearish. And where is the major and minor inducement in this case? The first pullback is here. Where is the first pullback? This one. It means this is our minor inducement right here. So this is our minor inducement because this one is a first pullback after break the previous chalk here. This is our pullback right here. If market taken out this one, we can mark the structure, but we are not interested here for the sell, right? So when we can expect at the current price, the previous swing high is here. It means if market taken out this one, then we can plan for the sell. Other market create one more structure here like downside, and then market taken out this one, and then we are interested here for the sell in a downside. And let's see what happens next after this one and how we can mark the structure here. Look at this one. Market trying to push higher but not able to break the previous high. So the current inducement is here. This is our major inducement right here because this one is a create one more pullback is here like this one. This is a first pullback is here not taken out and again push downside. It means this pullback create below this chalk here. So we can mark this one as a major chalk here. If market taken out this major inducement, so we can confirm that we are looking for the downside sell here. Market taken out the major inducement, we can mark this is our previous lower low right here, and this point become our lower high if market break the previous low is here, and this point become our next break of structure right here. And let's see what happen next after this one and how price is reacting here. Again market push downside, break this one and close below it. So if market close below it, so how we can mark this one? In this case, you need to do similar thing is here. Where is the major and minor inducement right here? Again market break this one. This is a market bearish here. The first pullback create adjustment right here, and this was the first pullback, and this is a minor inducement, and this is our major inducement right here. It means if market taken out this one, and we can anticipate that market looking for the downside right here. And let's see what happens next after this one. Again market not taken out this one, so the inducement major inducement will be transferred here to here until market taken out the previous swing high. And let's see what happens next after this one. Again market trying to push downside, and this inside move right here, and we need to wait for it to take out the major inducement. Then we can confirm that market taken out the major inducement, and right here we can see here market taken out the major inducement, the previous swing low create at this point right here. And again what happened here, market again break the previous swing high at this point, and this is a called change of character. Again market bearish to bullish trend has been changed here, and we can anticipating that this one is our one more pullback is here. This is our major inducement create at this point right here, and this is our previous swing high, previous swing low, again break the structure. This one is a called break of structure, but technically market just sweep the liquidity, so that's why we don't count this one as a like a break of structure, but this one is just liquidity sweep. But we need to looking for the buy, so we can mark the previous low and we can mark this one as a major inducement. But right now we are not interested here for the buy. In terms of this one is a sweep here. If close of it, so we can mark this one a break of structure properly, and we can mark this a major break of structure, and we can mark this one as a major inducement right here. So again what happened here, market taking out the major inducement, and we are anticipating that price can be go higher. This one is a first PY is here, so if market tap on it, and we can anticipate that price can be go higher to the upside after tap on it. So that's the process to marking the major and minor inducement right here, and I hope you understand that how we can mark the major and minor inducement like this one. And this one is our major structure, and if you look for the minor structure, look at this one. This first pullback is here taken out, and we can also anticipating the price push downside, and same thing applicable in a counter trend. As you know that market momentum is a bearish, and we are anticipating that price can be go higher. It means the price taken out this one. So if market taken out the internally inducement right here, and we can mark as a minor inducement as well as here, because this one is a minor structure right here. So if market create like this one, so we can anticipating short term buy ourselves. For example, this previous low is a sweep here, we can expect some bias position here after lower time frame confirmation here. And same thing applicable in a counter trend. If market create here, look at this one, this is a major inducement, and if market trying to push taken out this major inducement, so market must be create the structure like this one, taken out this one, buy here, break the structure, again trying to go higher and higher like this one, like this one. So if market taken out this one inducement, it means we can anticipating short term buy till the previous inducement taken out. So these type of thing you can take entry. I will explain these thing in upcoming video, that how you can trade counter trend in a bullish market, in a bearish market, everywhere. So I hope you learned that how we can mark the major and minor inducement and what is the difference both of them. So thank you so much everyone to watching the entire video. If you did not understand any key points, simply you can watch this video multiple times. I'm very sure that this video help you a lot to marking the major and minor inducement. I will show you in the next video where I will teach you that how you can trade counter trend. So thank you so much everyone watching the entire video. I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.